Stolzberg here at Uncle Giuseppe's Marketplace with Vinny, who's gonna cook us up something amazing again.
Today we're making eggplant rollatini.
Yum.
We're gonna take these eggplants and you're gonna flour them. Dry hand in here, not gonna get wet, still dry, wet hand going in.
So impressive.
Dry hand holding the breadcrumbs. That goes in. Look at that, see? And then look, fully incorporated, hand is still dry. We're going in, always away. While we're doing that, we're gonna make our mix for the rollatini.
Okay.
This is fresh ricotta, look at that. Parsley, some pecorino romano, parmigiano reggiano, shredded mozzarella. I gotta have some pepper in here. All right, we got our ricotta mix ready to go. You're gonna put it right here. Tuck this side up, look, my fingers are up here, right?
Okay.
I'm pushing around with my thumb.
Got it.
One simple turn, over.
That's
look
it?
Look at that, perfect.
Ooh, look at that.
Perfect.
Mine's neater than yours.
Is it though?
Yeah, that
Are you
is.
sure?
Yeah.
We're gonna take some more marinara. We're gonna put it right down the middle. We're gonna hit it with pecorino. We're gonna hit it with mozzarella. Here we go. Look at that.
Wow.
Right?
That's what it's supposed to look like. Beautiful. And if you'd like to try this at home, go to news12.com. You'll find the recipe there. Beautiful, Vin.
Thank you. My pleasure as always.